G'day everyone, it's Junior from AutoCraze Caringbah. Today I've got our own Hilux. You've seen this in 3 different versions already. This is version number 4. We called it JUGGERNAUT so far, but it's got a name change. It's called Unit 13 from now on. What we've done on this version of the car is we've got some full Covert wheels, wrapped them in some Falken MT-01s. We've got an AutoCraze Snorkel put on it as well, along with a front runner racking system for the top and the back of the car. We've got the rival rear bar on this as well. Check it out.